Hi everyone, introducing this exciting innovation competition. It's known as Cordless Lamp Innovation Contest. So the last date for application is 24 September 2026. So the prizes for this challenge include 5,000 euros in total. So what is this challenge about? So a leading company in the lighting sector, they have chosen to keep them as anonymous for now, in collaboration with Desall, which is this platform, is looking for innovation ideas for a cordless lamp designed for off-grid contexts and adaptable to multiple scenarios. So the product should feature a contemporary and functional design, ensure durability, and may integrate additional functions useful for its intended use. So they are looking for innovative concept for off-grid cordless lamp featuring a refined design and complementary function tailored to one or more of the following application areas, that is HORIZA, that is restaurants, bars, hotels, catering events, etc. So home, that is indoor spaces or outdoor areas such as balconies and non-wired zones where mobility is an advantage. Camping and outdoor, that is tents, campers, remote areas, outdoor activities. Other sectors include marine, urban mobility, emergency uses, temporary events, mobile work sites, agriculture, and much more. So if you have any ideas, then you can come here and apply for this exciting innovation opportunity, I would say. So the last date that I mentioned is 24 September 2026. So if you like this video, please do leave a like, and for such exciting opportunities from around the world where you will get various innovation competitions from around the globe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's known as Idea Mela. Thank you very much.